Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how I make Caesar salad. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need fresh romaine lettuce, good quality Parmesan cheese, and some crunchy croutons. The heart of any great Caesar salad is its dressing, which we'll make from scratch. Having all your components ready and chilled ensures the best possible texture and flavor for your finished salad. Now, let's create that incredible dressing. Start by whisking 1 egg yolk with a teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Gradually, and I mean slowly, drizzle in about 1/2 cup of olive oil while continuously whisking until it forms a thick, creamy emulsion. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste, and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. With our dressing ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Begin by tearing your crisp romaine lettuce into bite-sized pieces. Place the lettuce in a large bowl, then add just enough of your homemade Caesar dressing to lightly coat the leaves. Toss gently to combine. Finally, generously top your salad with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and your favorite crunchy croutons. To enjoy your Caesar salad at its peak, serve it immediately after tossing to maintain the lettuce's crispness. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of freshly cracked black pepper or a small lemon wedge. If you're looking to make it a more substantial meal, grilled chicken or shrimp are fantastic additions that complement the flavors beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.